IFS Cloud Cable Car, a unique aerial experience in London. The IFS Cloud Cable Car, formerly Emirates Air Line, is London's only urban cable car, offering stunning aerial views across the River Thames. It connects Greenwich Peninsula, near the O2 Arena, with the Royal Docks near Excel London, and is a fun, scenic ride ideal for tourists, couples, and families alike. What to expect? Ride duration: about 10 minutes one way, or 20 minutes round trip. Height: the cable car rises to a height of 90 meters, 295 feet. Views include the O2, Canary Wharf, Thames Barrier, London City Airport, Excel London, and on clear days, parts of central London. Cabins: modern, enclosed cabins with seating, can accommodate around 8 to 10 people. Evening rides: beautiful nighttime views of London's skyline. Opening hours: subject to change during holidays or special events. Monday, Thursday, 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Friday, 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. Saturday, 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. Sunday, 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. How to get there? 1. Greenwich Peninsula Terminal. Nearest to North Greenwich Station, Jubilee Line. Walk about 5 minutes from the station, near the O2. 2. Royal Docks Terminal. Nearest station, Royal Victoria D. Station. Walk about 3 minutes. Ticket prices. Prices as of recent updates may vary. One way: adult £6, child 5 to 15 £3. Round trip: adult £12, child £6. Under 5 South Ride free. Discounts available for Oyster card holders. Contactless payments. Group bookings. How to book: online, TfL website. IFS Cable Car choose tickets, travel times, and see service status. On-site: you can also buy tickets at the terminals using card or contactless. Oyster, contactless. Tap in and ride, no need for separate tickets. Best for quick access. Tips for visitors: go early in the morning or late evening to avoid queues and enjoy the views. Best combined with a visit to the O2, Greenwich attractions, or Excel London. Great for photography. Bring a camera or phone with a wide-angle lens. It's accessible for wheelchairs and strollers. Here's your visual visitor guide to the IFS Cloud Cable Car in London.